The only wealth which you will keep forever is the wealth you have given away. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is perspective, not the truth. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Accept the things to which fate binds you and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. Loss is nothing else but change, and change is nature's delight. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Look back over the past with its changing empires that rose and fell, and you can foresee the future too. The wise man sees in the misfortune of others what he should avoid. A man's worth is no greater than the worth of his ambitions. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. Do not act as if you were going to live 10,000 years. Death hangs over you. While you live, while it is in your power, be good. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself and your way of thinking. The nearer a man comes to a calm mind, the closer he is to strength. Reject your sense of injury, and the injury itself disappears. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. The first rule is to keep an untroubled spirit. The second is to look things in the face and know them for what they are. Never remind people about yourself, because those who value you remember, and the rest does matter. The object of life is not to be on the side of the majority, but to escape finding oneself in the ranks of Thinson. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.